My book, which is called Leading Your People to Success, is really all about how to enable you to improve your business's performance. It's about how to get your people motivated. It's about how to set a vision for the business. It's about how to get your interdepartmental teamwork working really, really well. So those are the fundamentals of what it's all about. It's not just my thoughts. It's the thoughts of literally hundreds of managers around the UK, for example. It's about examples where I've been out, I've visited various companies, I've seen what they've been doing, I've asked them very specific questions about what they've been doing that have become case studies within the book to back up some of the things that have built on my own personal experience. But I've been there, done it, I've seen big changes in large corporations. I've been there as part of as a general manager, for example, who's been part of the management team that has managed in a continuous improvement culture. I have had 20 plus years experience in both mainly in manufacturing areas, but also as consultancy. So I've got all this experience behind me, and I've captured that little lot in my book with that aim in mind.